How are you? Welcome to all on my YouTube channel Surendra Kumar Arye. Today I am going to teach you next grammatic topic tense. Tense, second tense, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Today we would like to teach present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. First of all, we would like to teach the identification of present continuous tense. First step, identification of present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to show an action of present time that is carry on but has not been completed yet. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस इज यूज्ड, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का प्रयोग किया जाता है टू शो एन एक्शन ओ प्रेजेंट टाइम, वर्तमान समय के ऐसे कार्य को दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है, दैट इज कैरी ऑन, जो कि जारी है, बट नॉट बीन कंप्लीटेड येट, जो कि अभी तक पूरा नहीं हुआ है, अर्थात कार्य प्रकृति पर है, कार्य जारी है. सेकेंड स्टेप ऑफ दिस टेंस, हेल्पिंग वर्ब. There are three helping verbs of present continuous tense. First is, second am, third are. First is, second am, third are. Is used for singular noun and pronoun. Am is used for only I pronoun. Are is used plural noun and pronoun also. For singular, am. For I, only. For plural. Is for singular like he, she, it, name, etc. Am only for I pronoun. Are is used for plural like we, you, they, boys, girls, etc. Next step, main verb. Main verb of present continuous tense. Third step, main verb. Main verb of present continuous tense. There is main verb of present continuous tense, present participle form of verb. According to grammatical pattern, we can say it otherwise in second pattern, first form plus ing, and otherwise third step we can say the fourth form of verb. There are three patterns of this verb. First, according to grammar pattern, we can say present form of present participle form of verb or first form plus ing. Otherwise we can say fourth form, V4 also. Fourth form of verb we can say in third pattern. Fourth step, add verb. Fourth step, add verb. Adverb of this tense. Some words are used as adverb of this tense, like now, nowadays, now, nowadays, these days, now, nowadays, these days, still, at this time, at this time, at this moment. Moment etc. These words are used as adverb and phrase of this tense. Fourth step, structure या formula of this tense. Formula, we can say formula या structure, both. Formula. First, affirmative sentence. Subject, helping verb is am are. Fourth, before, which mean first form plus ing, we can say it otherwise. Then object. In negative sentence, subject plus helping verb is am are plus note plus before plus object. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, we can change step. Helping verb are used at the place of subject and subject is used at the place of helping verb. Helping verb is used at the place of subject and subject is used at the place of helping verb in the interrogative sentence. Like is am are plus subject plus before plus object. Interrogative for sentence, interrogative plus negative. There is mention of interrogative sentence. We are making next sentence interrogative plus negative. So we can add note at the place of a third step in the interrogative sentence. Like we can make interrogative plus negative sentence. Like is am are plus subject plus note plus before plus object question mark also. So how did you feel to take my class today? Please tell me in my comment box, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and share it a lot of in large number. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Tomorrow I will take next tense. Take care.